Okay, so for DepEd account users for Google Classroom, pwede na kayong mag-create ng class and invite your students even if they are Gmail users. But if you will be using Gmail as to make a class, you cannot invite someone from DepEd as a student. Okay, so again, it is now a good news that Google Classroom, if you're using your school domain, like for public schools, we have DepEd account user, we have deped.gov.ph. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na silang mag-create ng class at invite yung mga students, okay, even if they are Gmail users. Unlike before, kasi hindi possible. Now, it is possible. And there's another feature added in the header design. We have the Google Meet. So, it's already embedded in the header design and even in the other parts. So, meron din dito sa classwork. So, you can click this, okay? Once you click this, it will ask you to generate a Meet link and then i-click nyo yan. Okay, so you have the option if you want this to be visible to your students or not. So for this case, gawin natin not visible, pero ikaw lang nakakakita nitong link and then click save. So every time you will have a meeting, all you need to do is click this and magsisend ng information sa mga bata sa kanilang Gmail na may meeting gamit ang Google Meet. Or another option is you can copy this link and post it in your stream as an announcement. Okay? So yun yung bagong features dito sa Google Classroom, especially if you are using your DepEd account. But if you're using Gmail account as a teacher, this feature is not present. Wala siya. So again, this is another privilege for DepEd account users. If you are going to use your account to create classes in Google Classroom.